This is my son Wesley in Wesley's room, and the brown one is Agnes, and the black one's Aidan. We're training them to be gentle with young children, so my son is doing the job, hanging out with them. They'll be sleeping with him. They're doing really well. Sharing some treats. That's really good, Wesley. And how about Agnes here?
It's actually not treats.
Oh, it's not treats. Yes, it's your yummy
This is people food.
people food. It's okay. You just share a little. Give Agnes a little. Good, Agnes. Good, Aidan. Nice down.
Dog cannot eat chocolate.
Yeah, no chocolate. That's right.
And dog eat chocolate with that.
Yeah. Okay, share a little bit with Agnes too.
Where's Agnes?
It's Aidan. There's Agnes here. Good girl.
Agnes.
She's still learning her name.
Agnes the water.
Well, just share both. Come on. They're doing really well. Oh, okay, and then give one more to Agnes, please. That's really sweet of you, Wesley.
And, oh, crap. Okay, Agnes got it.
Okay. Thanks, Wesley, for sharing. No. Gentle, please. Okay. Train them to be patient and gentle. Sit. Good sit, Aidan. Agnes, can you sit?
Sometimes you be patient to eat food.
Yeah.
And sometimes you be patient to play.
Yep. Gotta learn to be patient, right?
You have to be patient and
Okay.
everything
Good.
that
Good sit. Okay.
has to
Wesley, give Agnes. She's sitting. That's good. We just have to give them a little time.
Which one is that?
The brown one.
Oh, crap.
Okay, and then give some to Aidan again. That's great, Wesley.